What an eventful year 2023 has been. From moving into our new office to having Mr. Sidhesh join Programming Hub as CEO. In 2023, we helped over 20 million new learners. Our most downloaded app was HackerX with over 2 million new learners. Our apps grew by half the year in August, September, and October. We were showered with love from all over the world. To add to the learning experience of our users, we started making Udemy courses. We've launched 15+ top Udemy courses on coding languages, leadership, data analytics, and meditation, instructed by notable professors, reaching over 28,000 learners in just 5 months. Our users love us. Hence, Programming Hub and all our individual apps are at constant 4.7 rating, and our digital marketing app topped a 4.8 rating on Play Store and received the Editor's Choice Award. Apple and Google recognized our efforts, categorizing us among top 5 developers in India and featuring us. We were invited to the Google I/O event as the most loved app from India in the education sector. Fueled by this love, we embarked on our first offline marketing project, AI Minds. We partnered with IIT Kanpur, and we onboarded over 50 schools in the first 7 days, aiming to reach 1,000+ schools and colleges by March. Reflecting on 2023, we're proud to have improved lives through our EdTech platforms, enhancing skills, health, mental well-being, and entertainment. Our impact has fostered a global community of learners ready for the digital world. As we enter 2024, we aim for holistic growth for our worldwide audience, committed to empower individuals and transform societies. Thank you for being a part of our journey in 2023. Here's to achieving even more in 2024. Happy New Year!